नमस्कार, मैं हूं सोनिया बहुत। आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज टुडे इंडिया लाइव तस्वीरें। इस वक्त आप न्यूज टुडे इंडिया पर देख रहे हैं जेडी इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में हम मौजूद हैं और आप देख रहे हैं कि जेडी इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में बहुत सारी फैसिलिटियों के बारे में बात करेंगे और पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को जेडी इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में ही क्यों भेजे, क्योंकि यहाँ पर वो सभी फैसिलिटी आपको मिलती है जिसका हर पेरेंट्स का एक सपना होता है कि हमारा बच्चा जिस भी स्कूल में पढ़े उस स्कूल में बहुत सारी फैसिलिटी हो ताकि आने वाले टाइम में जो बच्चों के सामने जो चैलेंजेस आते हैं वो आने वाले टाइम में बच्चों को फेस ना करने पड़े। आइए आपको जेडी इंटरनेशनल स्कूल को विजिट कराते हैं। क्या कुछ यहाँ पर बच्चों की प्रोग्रेस के लिए, अच्छी एजुकेशन के लिए, एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटीज के लिए क्या कुछ कराया जाता है, आइए हम विजिट करते हैं क्या कुछ है खास। मोडेस्टी लैब है ये, बहुत ही प्यारी, बहुत ही खूबसूरत, और हमारे साथ मैम मौजूद हैं। नमस्कार मैम।
Namaskar ma'am, welcome to JD School. And my name is Uma Verma.
Yeah.
And as you can see that this is our Montessori lab. And in Montessori lab ma'am, this is very useful for the toddlers to means explore their motor skills, gross motor skills. And here students can learn many things. Means if the concept of color is there, means if they want to explore the colors, then they can explore the colors. Students come here and they learn here with the means in a playway manner. That pen paper wala concept is just beyond the things, right? So now this is the manner of come there and they just enjoy the things. You can see that many of the rides are there, and the jumping jack is there, and many of the balls are there. Many of the things are there, means they can swing, they can take swings and they can explore the things here. They can learn many things. You know? जी।
इतना खूबसूरत, इतना प्यारा जो है स्मार्ट क्लासेस आप देख रहे हैं। मैम से पूछना चाहेंगे, मैम क्या कुछ स्मार्ट क्लासेस में होता है?
मैम ये हमारा क्लासरूम है जूनियर क्लासेस का। एज यू कैन सी दैट देयर इज अ स्मार्ट बोर्ड हियर एंड वी हैव ग्रीन बोर्ड एज वेल, बिकॉज दोनों चीजें साइड बाय साइड चलती हैं यहाँ पर, बिकॉज वी कांट मेक द स्टूडेंट्स लर्न ओनली थ्रू वन थिंग, राइट? So this is the era of technology, so we can't stay the students apart from the technology. And that pen paper wala concept is now old. So the students are learning through the technology, and they are learning new things. They are exploring their personalities. They are learning new things. Means everything they are learning here. And see, you can see the sitting plan of the class. Means they are teachers are always sitting with the students. Means the students should not feel means they are sitting apart from the teachers. Teachers are equally focusing on each and every single student. So this is a performance of a classrooms, ma'am.
Thank you. एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटी रूम है मैम, इसमें क्या कुछ कराते हैं आप लोग?
So as you know, as per CBSE, we don't focus just on the academics of the students. We focus on the co-curricular activities also. So for that we have one activity planner of the school, and as per that planner we conduct many activities in school, and students learn through activities more rather than books. So as you can see today also one activity was done. There was one graduation ceremony today. Students of nursery to second, they passed out today. So we conducted a graduation ceremony for them, and parents also joined us. So they feel very happy and pride when they see their students standing on the stage and receiving some awards. So these kind of activities improve the students also. And
लैब में पहुंच चुके हैं, आइए मैडम से बात करते हैं लैब में क्या कुछ कराया जाता है।
so ma'am, as you can see the lab, it is well equipped. All the equipments are there. So students, they come to the lab and they perform various experiments. So whatever they learn in their books theoretically, same they perform in the lab, and they learn it practically also. As you know that students, they learn more when they do something. Suppose we tell them there is any fact and we perform that fact and prove it to them, then they learn it more. So they come here and perform various experiments.
बहुत ही प्यारा, बहुत ही खूबसूरत ये है म्यूजिक रूम, और म्यूजिक रूम में आप बताना चाहेंगे कि हर चीज बच्चों के सीखने के लिए यहाँ पर अवेलेबल मिलेगी। सर बहुत बहुत स्वागत, आपका नाम क्या है?
My name is Sandeep Singh, and as we are there in music room, and you can see that Delhi International School is not only focused on academic, but we are also focused on other extracurricular activity. For example, as you can see in our music room, there are all kinds of instrument. Tabla is there, harmonium is there, keyboard is there, guitars are there, drums are there. So in this classroom, all students from 1st to 10th onwards come there daily basis. Yes ma'am, daily. Yes ma'am, as per their timetable they come daily here and learn extracurricular activity which generate their interest in other activities, not only on academics. So it's overall development, holistic development, we can say that it is helping.
इंटरनेशनल स्कूल की लाइब्रेरी हम आपको दिखाना चाहेंगे, क्या कुछ है मैम, क्या कुछ आपके लाइब्रेरी में?
And this is a library. We have more than 3,000 books in our school, And students used to come here as per their time schedule. They spend time in reading so that they can have some more knowledge. And the main purpose is that they can indulge in the reading so that they can stay away from the social levels like social media.
ये प्लेग्राउंड है और प्लेग्राउंड के बारे में हम टीचर से बात करना चाहेंगे, क्या कुछ सर यहाँ कराते हैं?
Yes, ma'am. As you can see that there are a lot of activities for students in indoor, and for outdoor there is a toy train where students enjoy while they come in the ground. And we have three different playgrounds for different kinds of students. For senior students there is a large ground, and for junior kids there are small grounds. And in sport, if we talk about sports, so we are providing various kinds of sports facility. There are different coaches which come on time to teach the students. We are providing. We have a swimming pools. We have a badminton facility. We have table tennis as well, taekwondo as well. So different kinds of coaching are providing to students for their holistic and overall developments. So this will enhance their confidence and overall confidence building in this. Thank you.